In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the file manager in Hostinger. This quick guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow to comfortably access the file manager so you can manage your website files efficiently. Let's jump right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. If you're not already familiar, Hostinger is a popular web hosting service that offers a range of options to bring your ideas online. Once you're on their homepage, you should see the option to log in. Click that login button to get started. Now, logging in requires your email and password, which you should have from when you signed up. If you have your details ready, enter them into the fields provided and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Hostinger control panel, often referred to as hPanel. From the hPanel dashboard, look for the section labeled as Home. Here, you'll find an overview of your account and website details, making it an essential hub for managing your hosting plan. Within this home section, there's a button labeled Manage. Click on this to access your website settings. Great job making it this far. The next step is crucial as it leads directly to the file manager. In the Manage section, you'll find a variety of options for customizing and configuring your site. But for our purposes, keep an eye out for a tab or icon that says Files. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on Files opens a menu of tools specifically for handling your website's data and content. Among these, you'll see an option titled File Manager. This is exactly where you need to go. Click on File Manager, and just like that, you've accessed the file management area of your Hostinger account. Now, you have the File Manager open. You can start managing your website files, uploading, downloading, and organizing your content as needed. This interface provides a wealth of capabilities, making it easier to maintain your website with efficiency and precision. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to the File Manager in Hostinger. With these steps, managing your online presence becomes a task you can handle in just a few minutes. Remember to bookmark your file manager or take notes on these steps for future reference. Once you become familiar with this process, navigating through Hostinger's tools will become second nature. Thanks for watching and making it through the tutorial. With these skills under your belt, you're well equipped to take full control of your website's file management. Until next time, happy web hosting.